Welcome to a calming guided visualization where you are hiking to a waterfall. Take a moment to fully relax, closing your eyes, taking a deep breath, and slowly exhaling. And meditate on God's word in Psalm 19:1. The heavens declare the glory of God. The skies proclaim the work of his hands. You step onto the trail, the dirt crunching softly beneath your boots as you begin the steady climb. The air is crisp, a bite of chill that hits your skin. But the sun hangs high and bright, slightly warming your face. The sky is a flawless blue, and there's not a cloud in sight. You inhale deeply, filling your lungs with the clean, fresh scent of pine and earth. The trail winds through a dense forest of tall trees, their dark green needles swaying slightly in the breeze. Old leaves and a very light dusting of snow crunch beneath your feet. The air smells of earth, but there's something else, a coolness in the breeze, a hint of something refreshing and wild. As you continue, the trees gradually begin to thin. The path becomes rockier, more uneven. You reach a rise, and when you crest it, the view opens up right in front of you. The forest spills out into a sweeping valley, and in the distance, you spot the ribbon of a river winding its way through the landscape, its surface glinting in the sunlight like a trail of silver. A soft roar reaches your ears, distant at first, but steadily growing louder. You follow the sound, your curiosity pulling you forward. The trail narrows as it nears the edge of the overlook. And there, just ahead, the land drops sharply away. You stand at the edge of a cliff, looking down at the lush green valley below. The river you spotted earlier tumbles over rocks in a series of cascades, and in the distance you see the glinting spray of a waterfall. It's breathtaking, this untamed beauty of water crashing over stone, the mist catching the sunlight and scattering it into 1,000 tiny rainbows. The water roars as it tumbles, each drop a force of nature. You sit at the edge of the overlook, your legs dangling over the side as you watch the waterfall below, feeling both small and infinite in the face of such grandeur. The sound of the waterfall fills your ears, drowning out everything else. The roar is soothing and rhythmic. The river below snakes its way through the valley, its waters rushing past rocks and trees, winding its way towards who knows where. The cool breeze that brushes your face carries the scent of fresh water, and you close your eyes for a moment, letting the symphony of sound wash over you. As the sun begins its slow descent in the sky, the light shifts, casting long shadows across the valley. The trees and the rocks seem to glow, bathed in a warm golden light that makes the entire scene feel like something out of a dream. You take another deep breath, the crisp air filling your lungs once more, and you feel a deep sense of peace settle in your chest. Time slows here. Everything feels quieter, more serene, and you watch the river and the waterfall and the trees, the entire landscape in all its wild beauty. And for a moment, it's just you and this world, the peaceful roar of the water beneath you, the warmth of the sun on your skin, and the cool, clean air filling your lungs. The heavens declare the glory of God. The skies proclaim the work of His hands. Meditate on that word. Have an amazing day, and God bless you.